Here I'd like to change pace a little bit and talk about the benefits of condition monitoring for your pumps. To start off, firstly, condition monitoring can limit visits, simply because you know the asset health of your pumps at all times 24/7. It means you only need to go to those assets, to those sites that show an upcoming failure, a clogging or other issue. And we see both from research and in practice that this can help reduce preventive visits by up to 50%. Secondly, it can help you reduce maintenance costs. Simply by going from a reactive to a proactive maintenance approach can reduce maintenance costs by 25%. It's not just us saying us, but reputable firms like McKinsey have done extensive reports on this, and our experience in practice agrees with it. Thirdly, by doing proactive maintenance and condition monitoring rather than reactive maintenance, you help prevent the consequences. Whether it be sewage spills because of a failed pump or a supply interruption, you prevent the consequences and the fines that are associated with it. Fourthly, we have an increase in asset life of up to 15% by addressing small developing faults early. And for instance, replacing a simple component like a belt, you can make sure that the asset doesn't fail catastrophically and prevent a lot of higher consequence costs, increasing the asset life. Lastly, specifically with ESA, you get insight into the operation and efficiency of your pumps. And that allows you to also reduce their electricity cost through targeted interventions. And that can result in a 10% reduction in electricity cost.